a video to help you pack up your classroom tech at Showalter or our elementaries. You will need a tech box, microfiber cloths, classroom technology tools like your document camera and mics. If you need a new box, ask the help desk. Let's start with the presentation computer. The Nook be powered off after you have already backed up all of the files, like in Google Drive. You would then want to disconnect all of the cords, including the charging cord, and tidy up things. Find the document camera. Fold it so it's flat together, and wrap up the cord, that USB cord, neatly. Find the microphones. Find the charging cord. Disconnect the cords and wrap the charging cord so it's neat. In the A wing, you have the box light panels. Go to the side and disconnect the USB A-B cord and the HDMI cord by pulling straight out. Find the other materials with the box light panel, like the USB-C cord, the two box light panel pens, the remote control, and those two cords you just disconnected from the side of the panel. You would then want to wrap those two cords so they are tidy and neat. You may also have older cords that you can add in the box. You've gathered all your cords, all the keyboards and mouse, the document camera. Begin placing the cords into the tech box. Make sure you have remotes and pins. A plastic bag helps to gather some of the loose ends. Put the microphones, the charging cords into the box, the document camera, and the mouse and keyboard from the Nook presentation computer. Finish with that paper. Set the tech box and the Nook computer with that external monitor on the cart.